Where are we going?
We're going to dinner, and guess what? It's Parmesan chicken night.
It
so
is.
Let's go eat some chicken.
She's been in the pool all day, and I've been in the casino all day. So.
Somebody brought us this.
I need to ruin my video because this was a dinner video. Okay, where are we going?
We're going to dinner, and it's chicken Parmesan night. So
Oh,
we're gonna
yeah.
get chicken Parmesan.
Yummy, yummy.
And
I can eat
I'm
theirs.
hungry, but I'm going to get it.
I like theirs because it's crispy.
It's baked,
I like
too.
the crispy
You can eat it
crust.
'cause it's baked.
That's true.
So it's going to be a
Not
nice
deep
dinner.
fried.
Let's go.
All right, heading to dinner, and we'll see you when we get done. Can we get ice cream when we're done?
Maybe after.
Last night.
You
So.
eat all your food, you get it.
Oh boy, thank you, Mommy. I got 2 minestrones to start with. Terry got a regular salad, but no
Garden
French
salad.
dressing. Max got pasta with butter. And there's the butter. He's already had about 12 sticks of that since we were sitting here. My second appetizer, really my third, Caesar salad. Terry got the chicken parm. I got the chicken parm, baked of course. Max, as usual, got a steak. Terry got a lemon tart and a fruit bowl. I got a fruit bowl, and he did not get his ice cream.
It's coming.
It finally, Max.
It finally came. My vanilla ice cream. I know it's unusual.
We got a sunset, and we got the grandeur of the seas starting to pass us. Okay, well, now we already ate dinner,
We ate dinner, and I'm
and
so
I don't know how
full.
I don't know how we're still walking, but
He wanted the ice cream, and he barely made it. They closed at 9. It's like 10 till.
no, it's 8 till.
Oh,
We made
correct
it.
me for 2 minutes.
I don't know.
Ugh.
It's 8 till.
All right.
All right,
All right. Now we're going to go to the casino.
and get a martini.
Chocolate martini.
Yes, I'm in love who looks at you the way I do. When you smile, I can tell we know each other.
Good evening.
It's the last night on this cruise.
They thought we were
Enchantment
filming
on the
that.
sea. And we're almost ready to go to bed. I've packed some. Pat has it. We had a nice dinner. Then we had some dessert and ice cream afterwards. We gambled some at the casino. We got lucky, and guess what? I got over 1,200 points. Yes.
I got 3,700.
And I'm gonna get a free cruise.
We know who's got the problem and who don't.
Yeah. So it's been a really lucky night, and then to top it off, look at the top of these. These are so pretty. Don't
They just all.
chocolate martinis, all decorated, so pretty.
Just like makes them happy. What's a good, I guess, cocktail
So
drink
good.
for
They're so good.
Cheers.
why we drink them, because
Okay, let's spill it. Cheers to my lovey.
and these are strong. These are really strong.
We'll sleep good tonight,
I'll be
baby.
gambling in a minute now.
We'll sleep good tonight, baby. So,
Alright.
we had a great cruise. The
Yep.
weather's been great. It's been a lot of fun, and we won a lot of money.
Yep. Next up, the Carnival Vista, back to backs, 14 days.
Go
She's not
Chelsea.
happy about that.
No, it's too long for me. I don't mind only going one.
Still going. Alright. See you later. Hasta la vista.
Baby.
A few moments later.
What are you doing?
I got my second
She's got another one.
pretty. I love it.
It's all that guy right there's fault, right there. Nika, that guy's fault right there. Alright, there's the grander that followed us in. We are at a different terminal than what we left at. We went out of 2, we're back at 3. It's a 2-shift day. It's really darker than it looks on the video.